Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at two strong buy stocks that score a 10 out of 10. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and TGI Friday. Today we're taking a look at two stocks in the industrial sector that score a perfect 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score. That is a data-driven score that looks at 8 unique factors and measures a stock's likelihood to outperform the overall market. Both of these stocks have seen solid growth this past year, but recently have had analysts increasing their price targets, indicating they think there's more room for upside ahead. So we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those analysts are predicting for the stock's future. I found these stocks under the Tip Ranks Stock Screener, which can be found right under the screener menu. I put in a few different filters, including that 10 out of 10 smart score, some double-digit upside potential, and a strong buy analyst consensus to get a list of companies down below. You can try the stock screener for yourself on the Tip Ranks website or right on the Tip Ranks mobile app. Just a reminder that to celebrate Valentine's Day, Tip Ranks is having a 70% off sale for premium subscriptions. So if you want to unlock some fantastic research tools, now's a great time to do so. Links for the sale will be in the pinned comment down below. Just a reminder that Monday is a holiday, so the stock markets are closed, and I am going to be out of town next week for a family matter, and we'll be back after that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel. Now let's dive right into our two Perfect 10 stocks. First on the list today is Orion Group Holdings. Trading under the ticker ORN, it's currently priced just shy of $14 per share. The stock has climbed 71% in the past year, and in the last 3 months is up 43%. They score a 10 out of 10 on the Tip Ranks Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity and very positive crowd wisdom. Orion is a specialty construction company headquartered in Texas, operating through two main segments, with marine and concrete, providing infrastructure both on and off the water. In the marine segment, they're involved in dredging, building and repairing ports, marine terminals, pipelines, bridges, and environmental structures on, over, and underwater. And on the concrete side, they have a turnkey commercial and industrial concrete business that does site prep, forming, rebar, place, and finishing. Their Q4 earnings report is still a couple of weeks away, scheduled for March 4th. This does follow a strong quarter back in October, where the company had an earnings beat, plus raised their fiscal 2025 guidance. Earnings per share of 9 cents came in 3 cents ahead of analyst expectations, while revenue of $225 million was in line with the estimates. The company booked over $160 million in new contracts and change orders, and they increased their 2025 revenue guide to be $825 to $860 million. At the start of January, Orion announced a major new contract. They were awarded an $86.3 million project with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. As part of the project, they'll construct new breakwaters and replenish shorelines with approximately 1 million cubic yards of beach-quality dredge materials along the Texas coastline. Following that news, we have had two analysts initiate coverage on the stock with a buy rating, plus another increase their price target. One of those analysts was at Roth Capital. They believe the company's marine segment will benefit from long-term multi-billion-dollar spending initiatives associated with the U.S. Navy defense programs and port infrastructure refurbishment, and that Orion's concrete unit is positioned in states with the highest infrastructure reserved budgets. The company's improving margin profile should narrow the stock's valuation gap between peers. With 4 current analyst ratings, the Orion stock does come in as a unanimous strong buy, and the average price target of $16.13 implies an upside potential of over 15%. Looking at those price targets down below, they range from an upside of 10% to 21%. And for our second stock today, we're looking at TAT Technologies. They trade under the ticker TATT, currently priced at $50.48. Their stock has climbed 79% this past year, gaining 25% in the last 3 months. Their 10 out of 10 smart score does come with increased hedge fund activity and positive technicals and fundamentals. TAT Technologies is an aerospace company specializing in thermal management and aircraft component support. They keep aircraft and defense platforms cool and running through advanced thermal systems plus heavy MRO on APUs, landing gear, and engines. They operate in four main areas with their OEM heat transfer solutions, MRO for heat transfer, MRO for aviation components, and their jet engine overhaul and coatings. Their last earnings report was November 11th. Earnings per share did fall slightly short of expectations, but the company did see double-digit revenue growth and record-breaking EBITDA margins. Q3 earnings per share of 37 cents was 2 cents short of expectations, while revenue climbed 14% year over year to $46.2 million. Their adjusted EBITDA increased 34% to $6.8 million, and they saw cash flow from operations come in at $7.5 million. Their operating income reached $5.2 million, while the backlog grew close to $100 million since the beginning of the year. And in the last month or so, we have had a handful of analysts increasing their price targets. On February 4th, we heard from an analyst at Lake Street after they attended a presentation by the management team. They said they believe the stock can continue to grind higher from these levels as investors better appreciate the durability of growth. A few weeks before that, an analyst at Lake Street initiated coverage on the stock and said that given its expansive customer base, strategic agreements with leading auxiliary power unit player Honeywell, and a robust backlog, they view TAT as well-positioned for sustained growth. TAT Technologies also has 4 current analyst ratings, all giving it a buy. And the average price target of $55 per share implies an upside potential of 9%. Looking at those price targets down below, they do range from a downside of nearly 7% to a high-end upside of nearly 21%. So that is a quick look at 2 industrial stocks, both coming in with a unanimous strong buy rating and a current 10 out of 10 on the TipRank Smart Score. Let me know your thoughts on these companies and which one you'd put on your watch list. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, so please always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great long weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.